The team behind Kamino Finance is not just a collection of experts. It is a collective with a shared vision for creating innovative and user-focused solutions in the DeFi space. Alongside founders like Gonzalo, Parejo, Navajas, and Klish254, a wide array of contributors, including Brook007, Perelyn-sama, Franceshe, beautyfree, WDCat, funCapital, Alex-posley, Camfly1019, juanmanso, 0x stonegao, pruales, Boyquotes, LiamYoungRWO, shunkakinoki, calldata, DarthShoge, RadiantAeon, Mohan999, naviocean, stonegao, and swimricky has helped shape Kamino Finance into a platform that is not only technically robust, but also strategically flexible and innovative. This team works to transform the complexities of decentralized finance into a user-friendly experience. Products like the automated Liquidity Vaults and Kamino Lend simplify intricate DeFi strategies, making them accessible to both beginners and seasoned investors. The team focuses not only on technological development, but also on security, transparency, and user trust, ensuring that users feel safe even when engaging in high-leverage strategies and risk management tools. Moreover, the diverse perspectives and expertise within this collective allow Kamino Finance to continuously innovate and maintain its position as a leading DeFi protocol on Solana. This diversity brings not only technical strength, but also a community-focused vision. Users become part of a dynamic, evolving, and trustworthy ecosystem, rather than merely utilizing a financial tool. In short, the team behind Kamino Finance combines experience, creativity, and innovation to make DeFi more accessible, secure, and efficient. This collective approach is what sets Kamino apart on Solana, not just technically, but strategically and community-wise.